Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate on how you can construct a scalene triangle. In my demonstration, I'm going to use this instruction which is on the screen. Construct a scalene triangle with the length of AB is equal to 5 cm, BC is equal to 7 cm, and AC is equal to 8 cm. Now, if you look at the details that are given, like the details of the sides of this triangle, you can see that the sides of this triangle, the sides are not the same. Hence, this is a scalene. So you can say a scalene triangle is a triangle that has got different size of sides. Okay. Now, in my demonstration, I'm going to use these sides which are given. So I'm given AB, which is 5 cm, and that's where I'll start from. So first, I'm going to draw a line. Okay, I'm going to draw a line down here, which is 5 cm. That means my pencil will be at 0, then draw a line up to 5 cm. Okay, now immediately I reach there, I stop, and then next I'm going to mark these points, which is this one, it's A, and this point is B. Okay, it is B. Okay, now once I've done that, the next thing I'm going to do is now I'm going to try to come up with the side which is BC and AC. Remember, it's very impossible for me to come up with the length which is BC, okay, alone. For me to come up with BC, they'll come at the same time. Okay, so what I'll do first is I'm going to draw the arc. Okay, so the first arc I'm going to draw is for the length BC. So I'm going to measure 7 cm first. Okay, I'm going to put my there, and then measure 7 cm on this ruler. So that will be the width of my canvas, which is 7 cm. You need to make sure that it is exact 7 cm. Don't draw anything less or above. You make sure the wide of the metal arm and the pencil arm, it should be in between. There should be 7 cm. Now once I've done like that, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put it here. Okay, remember I'm trying to draw BC and not AC, so I'm going to put it there. Then I'll do like this, and I make sure I put it at the edge here. Okay, now once I've done that, what I'll do now is I'm going to draw the arc now. Okay, I'm going to draw the arc. It doesn't matter the size of the arc. It can be half of the circle, it can be quarter of the circle, but you just have to do that. Okay, now once I've done this, the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to now take the measurements of AC. Now this will determine the length of BC. Okay, now the length of AC. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring my compass here. Okay, then as usual, I'm going to put my metal arm on 0. I hope you are following me. If you have got questions, you can ask in the comment section. Then I'll stretch this pencil arm up to 8 cm. Okay, so in real life, when you're drawing using the real compass, not the virtual one, you make sure that here on the knobs you have tied it is a bit tight. Okay, not too tight that it cannot move, but it should be a bit tight. Okay, once you have gotten the actual measurements, then you bring this one. Remember, we want to come up with a line which is AC. So now once we have done that, then we are going to put the metal arm there. Okay, then I'm going to move this a bit like this. Okay, then I'm going to draw a arc like this. Okay, now once I've drawn the arc like that, the next thing I'm going to do now is to come up with the lines. Okay, I'm done drawing this. So what I need now is to connect point A to point B. So before I go ahead and write, I'm going to name this point as in C. So that is the point C. Now next I'm going to get my ruler here and connect that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my ruler there, check. Okay, this is okay, and then I should make sure that this comes here exact at the middle. If I want to come up with the exact measurement, it should be at the middle. So I'll stretch again like that. Then I'm going to draw a line that touches the middle part. Okay, and the line down here. Okay, all right. Then again, I'm going to get this ruler. Sorry, I'm going to get this ruler. Okay, so next I'm going to draw a line here like this up to this point, and also a line that will come down up to this point. Okay, so now if you take this ruler and measure the lines, so if we can put our ruler here and measure this line, you see that this will take us to, let me see, okay, let me use this side. Okay, from 0 to 7 centimeter, you can see 0 to 7 centimeter. And when I also bring this ruler, it is also 80 centimeter, from 0 up to 8 centimeter. So now you are able to see that now I've drawn a triangle that has got different sides. So we can even name these sides. Here we are told the length is 5 centimeter. Sorry, that is 5 centimeter. Here it is 7 centimeter, and here it is 8 centimeter. Okay, so basically those are the measurements, and this is the triangle, the scalene triangle. Okay, unless if there are some questions. If there are no questions, basically that's what you do. Basically that's how you draw the scalene triangle.